Welcome to EDU World Space.
So we want to use Mohr's circle to find the principal centroidal axes and the area moments of about that axis, those axes of this cross section here, which we've studied in previous problems. We know Ix and Iy. We could get those from the book. Again, we got to be a little careful because in the book this thing is rotated or flipped. So Ix and Iy are changed. But here, Ix is 0.392 inches to the fourth. Iy is 1.09 inches to the fourth. And you can just kind of check these things because you would expect Iy to be bigger than Ix just because there's lots of area here away from Ix and quite a bit here. About Iy. And so about this one, about this axis, you have less area away from that axis, so you'd expect Ix to be smaller than Iy. We calculated Ixy from before, and that's minus 0.380. And again, we'd expect it to be negative because most of the area is in the quadrants where x times y is negative. So we can make more circle. So here's Ix, comma Ixy. Here's Iy, comma minus Ixy. And first thing we can do again is get the center, and that's at 0.740 inches to the fourth. The radius then is 0.515 inches to the fourth, and that gives us our maximum and our minimum. Our maximum is this plus this is 1.25 inches to the fourth. Our minimum is this minus this, and that is 0.225 inches to the fourth. And then we can get our angle by knowing that the sine of twice the angle is Ixy over r, and we get that is so we get that theta m is minus 23.8 degrees, and that means that we need to rotate counterclockwise.